Hello students, let us continue our discussion on sum to n terms of special series. What is summation of n formula? Summation of n is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Second one, what is summation of n square? What is summation of n square formula? It will be n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Next one, summation of n cube, that's equal to n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. I will give one more formula. Summation of a constant. Summation of a constant equal to k into n. What is meaning of summation of k? Add k n times. Summation of k is nothing but k plus k plus k plus k up to n times. Meaning of summation of a constant means add that constant n times. Clearly it gives n into k. So formula is summation of k is equal to k into n. And one more formula, summation of k into n. K is constant, n is the variable. That is k outside summation of n. These are the formulas. Just remember. Summation of n, summation of n square, summation of n cube, summation of k, summation of kn. After this, we will discuss problems on sum to n terms of special series. Problems on sum to n terms of special series. First problem. Find the sum to n terms of the series whose nth term is. Once again problem. Find the sum to n terms of the series whose nth term is n into n plus 1. In this case, they have given nth term of the series. Nth term is Tn value they given. What we need to find? Sum to n terms, Sn. Sn equal to, one more formula, Sn is equal to sigma Tn when nth term of the series is given. Sn formula, Sn equal to sigma Tn when nth term of the series is given. That's equal to summation of, in this case what is nth term? Nth term is n into n plus 1. They just rewrite it, sigma n square plus n. After that, sigma n square plus sigma n. Summation of a plus b can be written as summation of a plus summation of b. Similarly, we can extend any number of terms. Suppose summation of 3 terms is given, then summation of first term plus summation of second term plus summation of third term. After this, apply summation of n square formula. It will be n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole thing divided by 6 plus summation of n is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. After applying summation of n square and summation of n formula, taking common. What is common in these two terms? Clearly n into n plus 1 divided by 2 common, then remains with 2n plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. After that, taking LCM, it gives n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 4 whole thing divided by 2 into 3 after taking LCM. Now 2n plus 4 taking 2 common, lastly we get n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 whole thing divided by 3. This is our required answer. Sum to n terms of the series whose nth term is n into n plus 1. When nth term of the series is n into n plus 1, then sum to first n terms is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 3. Next problem. Find the sum to n terms. Find the sum to n terms of the series whose nth term is n plus 1 into n plus 2. Find the sum to n terms of the series whose nth term is n plus 1 into n plus 2. In this case, Tn value they given. We need to find sum to n terms, that is Sn. Sn equal to formula sigma Tn or summation of Tn. Then summation of Tn, summation of n plus 1 into n plus 2. After this, usual multiplication, summation of n square, usual multiplication, n square plus 3n plus 2. Usual multiplication, n into n is n square, n into 2 is 2n plus 1 into n is n, 2n plus n is 3n, 2 into 1 is 2. After this, I will write summation of n square plus summation of 3n plus summation of 2. After that, I will write summation of n square plus 3 into summation of n plus summation of 2. After this, just apply summation of n square, summation of n and summation of a constant formula. After that, apply formula summation of n square, summation of n and summation of a constant. Then it gives, what is summation of n square? It will be n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole thing divided by 6 plus 3 constant as it is. Summation of n is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 plus what is summation of 2? What is meaning of summation of 2? Summation of 2 means add 2 n times. If you add 2 n times, then it gives 2 into n. After that, from these 3 terms, taking 2 common, sorry, n common, not 2 common. Taking n common, then remains with n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 plus 3 into n plus 1 divided by 2 plus 2. After that, taking LCM and usual multiplication, n into n into 2n, usual multiplication, it gives 2n square plus 3n plus 1 plus, on taking LCM, what is LCM? LCM of 6 and 2 and 1 is clearly 6, that is 9 into n plus 1 plus 12, whole thing divided by 6. This is simplest form. Just after taking LCM, we get this expression. After that, n into 2n square plus 3n plus 9n. 3n plus 9n, it will be 12n plus 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 12, that is 22. Whole thing divided by 6. From these three terms, taking 2 common, then it will be n into n square plus 6n plus 11 divided by 6 into 2. 2 1s are into 3s are. Lastly, we get n into n square plus 6n plus 11, whole thing divided by 3. This is our required answer. When nth term is n plus 1 into n plus 2. Next, find the sum to n terms of the series whose nth term is 2n minus 1 whole square. Whose nth term is 2n minus 1 whole square. We need to find sum to n terms of the series whose nth term is 2n minus 1 whole square. Same formula, Sn equal to sigma Tn, that's equal to sigma 2n minus 1 whole square. But we don't have any formula for summation of a minus b whole square or n minus 1 whole square or 2n minus 1 whole square. So just expansion, just write its expansion, then it will be 4n square minus 4n plus 1. Just use a minus b whole square formula. After that, directly I will write 4 into summation of n square minus 4 into summation of n plus summation of 1. Then 4 into, what is summation of n square? It will be n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 minus 4 into n into n plus 1 divided by 2 plus, what is summation of 1? It is like summation of k. Summation of k is k into n. In this case, k value 1 means 1 into n, that is n only. Now 2 2s and 2 3s are here, 2 1s and 2 2s. After that, what is common in these three terms? N will be the common. N in bracket 2 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole thing divided by 3 minus 2 into n plus 1, nothing given is 1 plus 1. After this, taking LCM, n into 2 in bracket usual multiplication, it will be 2n square plus 3n plus 1 usual multiplication, and taking LCM minus 6 into n plus 1 plus 3 whole thing divided by 3. After this, next step, 4n square, just rewrite it, n in bracket usual multiplication, 4n square plus 6n plus 2 minus 6n minus 6 plus 3 whole thing divided by 3. Then n into usual simplification, 4n square minus 6n plus 6n minus 6n get cancelled. Here 5 minus 6, that is minus 1 whole thing divided by 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 minus 6, that is minus 1. Lastly we get n into 4n square minus 1 divided by 3. Sum to n terms of this series, n into 4n square minus 1 divided by 3. Next, find the sum to n terms. Find the sum to n terms of the series 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5 plus and so on. Find the sum to n terms of this series. Clearly this series is neither in AP nor in GP, because 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6. Clearly neither in AP nor in GP, and it is 12. Clearly this series is neither in AP nor in GP, but we need to find sum to n terms. For finding sum to n terms of this series, we need nth term. Just find nth term of this series. First take first factors. Clearly 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. First numbers or first factors are in AP, and similarly second factors are also in AP. What are the first factors? First factors, those are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These numbers forms an AP 1, 2, 3, 4. Now tell me what is nth term of first factors. Nth term of first factor is denoted with Tn1. Tn1 means nth term of first factors. Clearly it is an AP. AP formula. Nth term of AP is A plus n minus 1 into D formula. A value 1, n minus 1 into D is also 1. After simplification it gives n. Nth term of first factor is n. and take second factors. Second factors. What are the second factors? 2, 3, 4, 5. These are second factors. 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These are second factors of this series. Now tell me what is nth term of second factors, that is Tn2. Tn2 is nth term of second factors. Now just use Tn formula of AP formula, arithmetic progression, A plus A value 2, n minus 1 into what is D, in this case D value 1. After simplification it will be n plus 1. N plus 1. Then tell me nth term of this series. Nth term of whole series is denoted with Tn. Nth term of whole series. Nth term of this series is, clearly each term is product of two numbers. First term is product of two numbers, second term is product of two numbers, third term is product of two numbers. Then nth term is also product of two numbers. That is nth term of first factors into, because operation is multiplication, into nth term of second factors. This is nth term of the given series. This is nth term of the given series. Now find Sn. Sn is equal to formula sigma Tn. That's equal to summation of, in this case n value is n into n plus 1, n into n plus 1. After that summation of n square plus n. After that I will write summation of n square, summation of n. After that taking n square, summation of n square formula, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole thing divided by 6 plus n into n plus 1 divided by 2, summation of n square and summation of n formula. After that what is common? N into n plus 1 divided by 2 common. Then we get 2n plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. After that n into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 2n plus 4 divided by 3, taking 2 common and get cancelled. Lastly we get n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 whole thing divided by 3. This is our required answer. Sum to n terms of the given series is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 3. Next problem. Find the sum to n terms. Find the sum to n terms of this series 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5 plus and so on. Find the sum to n terms of this series. Clearly each term is product of 3 numbers. 1 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 4, 3 into 4 into 5 and so on. We need to find sum to n terms. Similarly, write nth term of first factors, nth term of second factors and nth term of third factors. Take first factors. First factors. What are the first factors? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now tell me what is nth term of first factors? Tn1 by using Tn formula. Direct I will write n. If you apply Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, then clearly you get n. Take second factors. What are the second factors? 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Directly write nth term of second factors, that is Tn2, that's equal to n plus 1. Apply Tn formula and simplify, then you get n plus 1. Then take third factors. Third factors 3, 4, 5 and so on. Third factors 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. If you apply Tn formula, nth term of third factors, directly I will write n plus 2. Now tell me what is nth term of the series. Nth term of this series is product of nth term of first factor into nth term of second factor into nth term of third factor, that is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. This is nth term of the series, because each term is product of 3 numbers, then nth term is also product of 3 numbers, those are n into n plus 1 and n plus 2. After that again same formula, Sn formula. Sn equal to sigma Tn. In this case, what is nth term of this series? That is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Usual multiplication, summation of. Usual multiplication, it will be n square plus 3n plus 2. Directly I will write n square plus 3n plus 2. After that multiply with n, then it will be n cube plus 3n square plus 2n. After that I will write summation of n cube plus 3 into summation of n square plus 2 into summation of n. After that use formula, summation of n cube, summation of n square and summation of n formula. Then it gives n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 plus 3 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole thing divided by 6 plus 2 into n plus 1 divided by 2. Next 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 get cancelled. Then what is common here? n into n plus 1, here also n into n plus 1, here also n into n plus 1. So taking n into n plus 1 common, what is remaining expression? That is n into n plus 1 whole thing divided by 4 plus 2n plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. After that taking LCM, n into n plus 1 in bracket n square plus n plus 4n plus 2 plus 4 divided by 4. Taking LCM, LCM of 4, 2 and 1 is 4. After that next n into n plus 1 in bracket n square plus 5n plus 6 whole thing divided by 4. Just factorize n square plus 5n plus 6, n square plus n plus 4n, 5n plus 2 plus 4, that is 6. Then factorization n into n plus 1, or else simply you can write this expression. If it is factorized, then factorize it. Then n square plus 3n plus 2n plus 6 whole thing divided by 4. Then lastly we get n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 n plus 3 whole thing divided by 4. Factors are, factors of n square plus 5n plus 6 is, if you multiply these two factors, then clearly you get n square plus 5n plus 6, n square plus 2n plus 3n, 5n, 2 into 3 6. This is our required sum. Sum to n terms of this series, 1 into 2 into 3 plus 3, 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5 plus and so on up to n terms. Next, find the sum to n terms of the series 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on. Find the sum to n terms of the series. What will be the nth term of this series? Tell me what is nth term of this series. Means the term in the nth position. First term is 1 square. Second term is 1 square plus 2 square. Third term is 1 square, 2 square plus 3 square. Then fourth term is 1 square, 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. Then from these terms we conclude nth term is equal to, what is nth term? What will be the nth term of this series? Clearly 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on, n square is nth term. Then Tn equal to, already we know 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on, n square value, that is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. This is our nth term. Nth term of the given series is, nth term of this series is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square and so on, n square. After getting nth term, simply apply formula Sn equal to sigma Tn. After that, summation of n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole thing divided by 6. 1 by 6 is constant outside. Summation of usual multiplication, it will be 2n cube plus 3n square plus n. If you expand this usual product, n into n is, sorry, n into 2n is 2n square into n is 2n cube. Then n into, sorry, 1 into 2n is 2n and 1 into n is n, that is 3n into n is 3n square. 1 into 1 is 1 into n is n. After that, one divided by 6 outside, apply or else rewrite it. 2 outside, summation of n cube plus 3 constant outside, summation of n square plus summation of n. After that, apply summation of n square, summation of n cube and summation of n formula. That is 1 divided by 6, 2 into n into n, sorry, n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. 3 n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 plus n into n plus 1 divided by 2. 2 ones are and 2 twos are. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. Next, taking n into n plus 1 divided by 2 common. n into n plus 1 divided by 2 common. Next, 1 divided by 6, taking n into n plus 1 divided by 2 common. Then what is remaining expression? That is n into n plus 1. Here what is remaining expression? 2n plus 1. Here what is remaining expression? 1 only. After that, 1 divided by or else n into n plus 1 divided by 12 into n square plus n plus 2n plus 2. After that, n into n plus 1 divided by 12 in bracket n square plus 3n plus 2. Just factorize n square plus 3n plus 2. That is n into n plus 1 divided by 12. What are the factors of n square plus 3n plus 2? If you factorize this quadratic expression, then you get n plus 1 into n plus 2. If you multiply these two factors, clearly it gives n square plus 3n plus 2. n square plus 2n plus n, that is 3n. 2 into 1 is 2. Then n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 divided by 12. This is our